Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, welcome. My name is Maddie. I create mommy, lifestyle, and home decor videos and much more. So if that's something you enjoy, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. But today I am cleaning my kitchen after we ate dinner. I am taking out the dishes, the clean ones from the dishwasher, and then I'm putting the dirty ones in after I put all the clean ones up. So right here you can see that I'm taking the dirty ones out of the sink and putting those in the dishwasher. Now I'm washing my daughter's high chair, the top piece of the high chair, getting all the nasty food off, and then I'm sitting them in the dry rack, but then I'm going to dry those off and put them on the high chair. But right here I am spraying it down with some spray to get it all clean, and then I'm putting them back on. So now I'm back to the dishes. The sink is clean, and now I'm doing a few of the things that I could not put in the dishwasher, like my pots and pans. So I'm washing those, and then I'm going to put those in the dish rack. I use the Dawn dish soap and Mrs. Meyer's also. But yeah, right here I'm just cleaning everything out of the sink, getting all the gunk out of the dishes, and then getting them all clean. Now that the dishes are put away and in the dishwasher and all clean, I am spraying off the countertops and wiping them down. I'm using the Mr. Clean spray. It smells like Gain detergent, so it smells really good. And right here, I am cleaning the sink out with Comet and that Mr. Clean spray just to get it all clean. And as you can tell, it's pretty satisfying to do, to get all that gunk and stuff off. And now I'm spraying the top where the faucet is, and you can see my little girl playing as I am trying to straighten up everything. So I'm spraying off the other side and the oven to get all the nasty food, because when you cook it gets messy. So I'm spraying that down, wiping it off, and you can see Stella playing right there. She's getting in the cabinets, being a little toddler, trying to take everything out while I'm cleaning. That is mom life, but it is so worth it. I also have Clorox wipes that I use to wipe things down too. I'm cleaning off this side of the counter now. I'm just wiping it down again with that Mr. Clean soap, not soap, spray. And now I am sweeping the floor, and then I'm going to mop the floor also. I love this mop right here. It just sprays, and it's like the sweeper wipe one, and then I'm laying the rug back down, which brings lots of character. So right here it is a quick clip of everything is all clean, neat, everything's finished. I love when my kitchen is clean. It's so satisfying. But after I get done cleaning, I like to light a candle, just to set the mood as if it is clean, and just so peaceful to have it done. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick little clean with me video. If you like clean with me videos, let me know in the comments down below. But go ahead and subscribe and like and share, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!